Hi there. My name's Thomas. I spent the day riding around on this Splach scooter, and I can't recommend it highly enough. Super smooth ride. The suspension's unparalleled. It can take you from pavement to grass to dirt, all terrain, and it handles it with ease. Very smooth ride. The speed is great, and it's perfect to get you from the home or your apartment to down to the beach or wherever you need to go.
Buying the Splach scooter was the greatest investment I ever made. I was constantly paying for bird scooters, and it started to add up. Once I got the Splach scooter, riding to work was fast and easy. The suspension is incredible, so riding on sidewalks, grass, any terrain, it can handle it without a bump in the road. Once I get to work, I can just fold it up, bring it into work, don't have to pay for parking anymore. Getting the Splach scooter was the best investment I ever made.